If you live in the mid-Atlantic, don't be caught off guard Wednesday afternoon. The setup is there for some serious wind. A strong upper-level trough is dropping southeastward, tapping into a warm, humid, and unstable air mass. The primary risk here is damaging wind gusts as storms organize into clusters. Expect scattered storms to fire by the afternoon and push southeastward through Virginia, Maryland, and northern North Carolina. These won't just be garden-variety storms. They have enough momentum to pack a punch. I'll be monitoring the wind shear and instability levels all day. Hit that follow button and drop your town below for a town-specific forecast. I'll be tracking the strongest cells in real time.